So today we will solve the question number 9 from IIT JEE Advanced 2024, paper 1, section 3. That means the question is a numerical type question. Answer will be in a value, that means non-negative integer. If answer is correct, then +4. If wrong answer or you haven't answered the question, then you will get 0. So let's read the question first. Let fx equals to x to the power 4 plus a x cube plus b x square plus c be a polynomial with real coefficients such that f1 equals to -9. Suppose that I root 3 is the root of the equation 4x cube plus 3ax square plus 2bx equals to 0, where I equals to root -1. That means a complex root. If alpha1, alpha2, alpha3 and alpha4 are all the roots of the equation fx equals to 0, then we have to find the value of this expression. That means sum of the square of the modulus of the roots. It is clearly visible that it is from algebra, especially theory of equations. And to solve this, we need to know about this concept only, that if a complex root a plus ib is a root of a polynomial with real coefficients, then its complex conjugate, that means a minus ib, is also a root of the polynomial. So now let's solve the question. It is given that fx is equals to x to the power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus c, and also given that f1 is equals to -9. That means 1 plus a plus b plus c is equals to nothing but -9, which implies that a plus b plus c is equals to -10. Now the second information given that 4x cube plus 3ax square plus 2bx equals to 0 has a root I root 3. That means minus I root 3 is also a root, because complex conjugate of I root 3. So let's write 4x cube plus 3ax square plus 2bx equals to 0. We can take x as common. x को कॉमन लेके ये रहेगा 4x square plus 3ax plus 2b is equals to 0, which implies either x equals to 0 or 4x square plus 3ax plus 2b is equals to 0. So I root 3 and minus I root 3 obviously are root of this equation 4x square plus 3ax plus 2b equals to 0. So let's put the value. After putting the value, we will get, first wala मैं show कर रही हूँ, second wala I write directly, plus 3a into I root 3 plus 2b is equals to 0, which implies -12, because I square is -1. So root 3 square, 3 into 4, -12, plus 3 root 3 IA plus 2b is equals to 0. And if we put this second root, that means 4 into minus I root 3 whole square. If I put this value, I will get -12 minus 3 root 3 IA plus 2b is equals to 0. Now if I solve this equation, that means just if I subtract these two, I will get, if I subtract these two, I will get 3 root 3 I plus 3 root 3 I a is equals to 0, which implies a equals to 0. And if I put the value of a, I will get -12 plus 2b is equals to 0, and we will get b is equals to 12 by 2, that means 6. So we have b equals to 6. Now if I put the value of a and b in this equation, a plus b plus c equals to minus 10, I will get the value of c. So put that a plus b plus c is equals to minus 10 implies that 0 plus 6 plus c is equals to minus 10, and this implies that c equals to minus 16. Now, if I put all the values of a, b, c in fx equals to 0, fx equals to 0, I will get fx means x to the power 4 plus ax cube plus bx plus bx square plus c equals to 0 implies x to the power 4, then a is 0, then plus 6x square minus 16 equals to 0. So I can say it is a quadratic equation in x square. That means I can think it like x square whole to the power x square plus I have to find the middle term, so it will be nothing but 8 minus 2 x square minus 16 equals to 0. If I find it, the factor will be x square plus 8 into x square minus 2 is equals to 0. So this implies x square is equals to either minus 8 or 2, which implies that x will be plus minus root 2 and plus minus 2 root 2 I. So alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 is nothing but these roots. So now we need to find modulus of alpha 1 square plus modulus of alpha 2 square plus modulus of alpha 3 square plus modulus of alpha 4 square is equals to plus root 2 square plus minus root 2 square, that means 2 plus 2, then plus 2 root 2 I square plus minus 2 root 2 I square, that means 8, also plus 8, that means 20. So the answer will be 20. So the answer is 20. It is a non-negative integer. So to solve this question, we need to know about just how to find middle term, how to solve equation, and one important thing, that if we have a complex root for a polynomial, then its complex conjugate is also a root of that polynomial. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Have a great day ahead. Wait for the next video. Thank you.